it is one of the best brand names in the real estate industry. I think it will be very close to or even very equal to the metro cities. पर क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए because I always believe कि expensive is cheap and cheap is expensive.
Har Har Mahadev. This is your host and host anchor Aisha coming up with a new episode of season 1 कैलाश की कहानी कैलाश की जुबान। आज जो गेस्ट हैं वो फाइनेंस सेक्टर में काम करते हैं। आपको पता ही है फाइनेंस सेक्टर वाले एक एक पैसा सोच समझ के इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। तो देखते हैं इन्होंने आखिर कैलाश में इन्वेस्ट क्यों किया है। तो मिलते हैं नीरज से। हाय नीरज, कैसे हो आप?
हेलो मैडम, मैं ठीक हूँ।
आप बताइए, आप जब कैलाश में फर्स्ट टाइम आए थे आपको क्या फीलिंग आया था?
मैडम, फीलिंग उसमें ऐसा था कि जब मैं आया था तो मुझे एक अलग सी वाइब अच्छी थी। फिर जो मैंने लोगों से सुना था कि कैलाश की क्वालिटी वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, तो मैंने बोला एक ट्राई कर ही लेते हैं। देन जब मैंने एमिनिटीज़ देखी, मैंने लोगों से बात की, तो मुझे पता चला कि इन्वेस्ट करने जैसा है। और वैसे भी मैं फ्लैट देख ही रहा था इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से, तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा इन्वेस्ट करके ही देखते हैं। बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप भले थोड़ा पैसा ज़्यादा दो पर क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए। बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि एक्सपेंसिव इज चीप एंड चीप इज एक्सपेंसिव।
Wow, that's nice. How do you think the investment in Kailash will benefit you?
It will benefit, I feel, because since it is a brand name, the amenities are good. As I said, the quality is good, so I know it will be long lasting. So I think if I invest, I will get good returns. That is the reason I think it is a good investment for me.
Okay. And how about the area?
Area, it is good. I feel the proximity is very good to Ring Road, to Gandhinagar, even to some parts of Ahmedabad. Airport proximity is good. So area will develop, I am sure. And I am already seeing a lot of development in this area. And I feel that it will be one of the fastest growing areas of Ahmedabad.
Correct. You must have heard that Ahmedabad is the fastest growing in real estate currently.
Right.
So next 5 years down the line, what do you think would be?
I think it will be very close to or even very equal to the metro cities. Because see, I came to Ahmedabad 10-12 years back, right? And I've seen the development. I've seen the growth.
Correct.
I've seen the areas getting developed. So it is actually correct that it is the fastest growing city. And I feel that it will be a good city to start your career, good city to live in, and as well as you'll get good investment options.
5 years down the line, do you think will it be easy to buy your own house?
Looking at the data, I think it would be difficult because I have seen the graph going up, and gift cities around, right? And where Kailash is, the gift city is very nearby, so it will grow, and it will be very difficult 5 years, 7 years down the line to invest and buy.
So do you think this is the right time to invest?
Absolutely. Very right time to buy, because I feel still here you have that potential. It will grow, but 5-7 years down the line, I think it will be very difficult because the prices would be too high.
So do you think as the generation is changing, the youngsters are getting more independent?
Yes.
And they are actually planning and deciding for buying the house. They are the most decision makers at present. So do you think youngsters should focus on this more?
Yes. So as we say, for today's youngsters, we use a term in our office or in the company, Gen Zs.
Yes.
Gen Zs, yes, they should invest. And at the moment, Gen Zs are very smart. And if they feel that there is a potential to grow, they would invest. And it is very important for them to invest now, because after 7-10 years, it would be very difficult for them to buy a house. So yeah, good time to invest now.
Correct. Millennials are buying currently houses.
Correct.
If you see the survey at HighPeak, and yeah, Gen Z should actually, have this in their mind to be their next plan of action, I think.
Correct.
That's correct. How do you think if people don't want to stay as they have a joint family, they're staying with their family, should they buy a separate house and keep as an investment Will that be beneficial or easy for them to do that?
Yes, it would be, because see, real estate investment is always good, right? And what I've seen in Ahmedabad in last 10 years, it has grown, right? So very good investment. And even if they are staying with their family, I think they should invest. I have seen Gen Zs investing in other assets already, and I am also seeing the trend right now. They are coming into real estate, but the proportion is very low at the moment, and I think they should invest here in real estate, because if they would see the past 10-year trend, it has improved, the prices has gone high, so they will get good returns.
Neeraj, why would you advise people to buy flat in Kailash?
I would advise people to buy because I feel they have luxuries which you will get nowhere in East Ahmedabad. That is one thing. Second is they have flats for all needs. So you would get flats for a small family. You would get luxury flats. If you want high-end luxuries, you will get that also. So it is for everyone. You can just go, whatever your requirements are, you will get that flat. That is the second thing. And third is they have the brand name. So in today's world where there are very less people who can build the brand, Kailash has made their name. And what I see in this part of Ahmedabad, it is one of the best brand names in the real estate industry.
So that is the advice you would like to give people.
Yeah.
Okay. Which project have you invested in?
I have invested in Kailash Aura.
Okay. So if you have Aura as an option, and apart from Aura, if I give you another scheme of Kailash, which one would you choose for yourself?
I would go with Kailash Rudraksha.
Okay. Why? What is the reason?
I don't know. I feel it would be another interesting project because I just saw the layout. So I think it would be another interesting project. And I feel that again, the quality would be good. And I've seen the amenities also. So I feel a spectacular project one can invest in.
Okay. And do you have any friends or relatives staying in Kailash? Do you like in some other projects that you visited?
Yes, I have few friends staying there.
Okay, which project have you visited?
I visited Rejoice 1, Rejoice 2.
Okay, so what is the uniqueness that you felt in those projects?
So Rejoice 1 is a beautiful project because it's spacious. One thing which I like about Kailash, both Rejoice 1 and Rejoice 2, is the foyer. Beautiful foyer, right? Rest everything, if you would see the entrance, it's very open. So the moment you get in, the breeze will flow.
Okay.
And it will hit your face. It's a beautiful feeling. And the flats are spacious. The designs of the flat are also good. So yeah, both of them are beautiful.
Okay. And how do you feel the process? Like, did you apply for a loan?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you think that process was smooth when you came to this phase of applying for the loan?
Yeah, it was smooth. But what I would like to add on here is that since I am from the finance sector, so I already know about the loan process. But yeah, the process was smooth, and I feel that the person who is not from the finance or banking industry would also get the loan easily. So the process is smooth for everyone.
So that's because of the department, the loan department we have separately in Kailash?
Yeah, they're helpful.
They're helpful?
Yes.
Okay, so you had a good experience with that?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything in one line would you like to tell the audience for Kailash?
Yeah, so I feel if you want luxury in budget, you can come to Kailash. Don't be hesitant because the quality is good. The brand as it is speaks for itself. So go ahead if you want to buy, and the investment would be a good deal.
Yeah, so would you like to say Har Har Mahadev with me to all of the audience there?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's start, and we'll say Har Har Mahadev to all of them there who are watching us. Har Har
Mahadev!
So thank you so much for watching Kailash Ki Kahani, Kailashians Ki Zubani. And this was Neeraj here who helped you in the finance advices. Next episode will be coming soon with something different here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel Kailash Reality. on Instagram, FB and YouTube. Also, you can follow Anchor Aisha channel to check my videos as well. Thank you so much and meet you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.